An exponential equation is an equation in which the unknown occurs as part of the exponent or index. Exponential functions have the form y equals b to the power of x, or y equals a multiplied by b to the power of x, which can also be written y equals a times b to the power of x, where a and b are both greater than 0 and b is not equal to 1. We can solve exponential equations using logs, but that's beyond the scope of this video. In this video, I'll show you a simple technique for solving exponential equations using a graphics calculator. To do so, we graph each side of the equation on the same set of axes. The x-coordinate of the intersection of the graphs gives us the solution to the equation. First, let's look at 5 equals 3 to the power of x. Select graph from the main menu by pressing 5 on your graphics calculator. Then store 3 to the power of x in y1, press execute. Store 5 in y2, press execute. Then press F6 for draw. Depending on the equation, you may need to adjust the view window by pressing F3 for view window. For this equation, I don't need to adjust the viewing window. If I did, I might press F3 and press standard and execute. We can see both graphs clearly, so I don't need to do that here. To find the point of intersection, we press F5 for gsolve, and we press F5 again for intersect. This tells us the graph intersects where x is approximately 1.5 and y equals 5. The x-coordinate, approximately 1.5, is the solution to the equation 3 to the power of x equals 5. You can check your answer by inputting 3 to the power of 1.5, which will be approximately 5. Keeping in mind that we rounded to 1.5. In the calculator, we press exit to go back to the main graphing menu. Let's look at another example. We don't need to delete the entries because we're right over the top of them. Use the arrows to scroll up to y1 and enter 20 times half. I'll put that in brackets. To the power of x in y1. Let's execute. In y2, we're going to enter 10. Then press F6 for draw. I can use the arrows to scroll up to ensure that I can see both graphs on the screen. Again, we'll press F5 for gsolve and press F5 again for intersect. And this will give us the solution. This tells us the graph intersects where x equals 1 and y equals 10. Therefore, the solution to the equation 10 equals 20 times 1/2 to the power of x is 1. And that's it for this video. Thank you.